Long Beach Kelvin, Cessna 2030 Charlie, taxi from signature to 25 right code traffic with Kelvin.
Number 2030 Charlie, Long Beach clearance, contact ground.
Contact ground, 30 Charlie. Long Beach ground, Cessna 2030 Charlie, taxi from signature to 25 right code traffic with Kelvin.
Cessna 2030 Charlie, Long Beach ground, safe position.
Signature.
Number 2030 Charlie, runway 25 right, taxi via Bravo Kilo, hold short, correction, Foxtrot, Bravo Kilo, hold short, runway 30.
Taxi via Bravo Kilo, hold short, runway 30 Charlie. Very good traffic, approved, runway 25 right, careful takeoff, 30 Charlie.
No.
Number 30 Charlie, runway 25 right, cleared for takeoff.
Careful takeoff, 25 right, 30 Charlie.
Number 87 Quebec, reset squawk VFR, frequency change.
Full power. Pilot.
Catalina 80, base approved, runway 30, clear to land.
Clear to land, 30, Catalina.
Rotate 10 degree. Pure snake to wide rider. West
November 30 Charlie, turn crosswind, I will call your base.
Crosswind, base, call me base, 30 Charlie.
Number 30 Charlie, follow the Cessna just ahead and to your right. Number 2, runway 25 right, cleared for the option.
Number 2, 25 right, here for the option.
Clear for the option.
3 following anyone?
25 right, clear for the option.
Number 30 Charlie, runway 25 right, clear for the option, number 2.
Number 2, 25 right, here for the option, 30 Charlie.
November 30 Charlie, turn base over the 605.
Turn base 605, 30 Charlie.
November 5 November Hotel, stay parking.
Ross.
November 30 Charlie, runway 25 right, clear to land, hold short of runway 30 for departing traffic.
Runway 25 right, hold short, runway 30.
Helicopter 7 Echo Romeo, downwind approved, hold east of the field.
Please reporting over, smoking VFR, 120. Please reporting over, now we have FB failure, we have altimeter failure, we have vertical speed indicator failure.
Therefore, Echo Roger, are you declaring an emergency?
Yeah, please reporting over.
November 4 Echo Roger, how many people are on board?
2 please reporting over.
How many people?
2, please reporting over.
November 4 Echo, thanks, number 1, runway 25 right, clear to 30 Charlie, contact ground.
Contact ground, 30 Charlie.